Get a feel for the 2023 Dodge Charger. Go bold or go home. The Charger packs aggressive athleticism and unexpected fuel efficiency into a driver-centered, family-friendly four-door package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, premium sound system, fog lamps, backup camera, heated mirrors. Feel the exhilaration of raw muscle car power in the Charger. Come in for a test drive.